This is Aistant, an AI-native workspace. One window for web, files, and code. Open a PDF. Ask naturally. Your assistant understands the context. Right here, it summarizes, highlights, and answers in place. Fast, clear, actionable. Turn insight into a polished report. Preview as clean HTML, ready to use. Because work isn't just Windows, it's your day. Let Aistant keep the flow. Many tools, one simple form. Everything together so you stay focused. All your instruments click into one system. Plug in what you need, nothing extra. It runs locally, quietly. Your files stay with you, your time stays yours. From morning to evening, one rhythm for everything. Notes, research, automations, in sync with your day. Aistant, a new kind of workspace, one window for everything.